Downloading Steam on macOS is actually very simple, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. To download and install Steam on macOS, you need to visit the official website, and this is the official website. Once you click on steampower.com, it's going to take you directly to store.steampower.com. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the top on the navigation where it says install Steam. You're going to click on install Steam. Now, as you can see here, Steam has been automatically able to detect my OS, and it says install Steam, and this is the Apple logo. So we're going to click on that. Once it's done downloading, we're going to click on the arrow next to it, and it's going to open up this dialog box for us. It says simply drag. So what it's telling you to do is click on the Steam app. You simply drag it into your application app, and just like that, your Steam app has been uploaded onto your macOS. Now, to test it out, what we're going to do is we're going to close this. We're going to come to the top and click on the search bar, spotlight search, and we're going to search Steam. Now, that's the first option. We're going to click on it, and it says Steam is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We're going to click on open. And it's updating Steam and downloading the application on our macOS. Now we're having some to allow some permissions for Steam to be able to function, and we're going to click on this. We're going to click on this, and just like that, it's been able to load up the Steam application for us. And if you have an account, you're just going to sign in with your username and password, or you can use your QR code to sign in. Now that's how to download Steam on macOS. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.